That is magnificent. Excuse me.
Sure.
Melissa, I see that you and Father Christopher are getting along quite well.
Yes. It's hard to imagine that he's your grandson.
You keep your claws out of him. Oh, now, don't look so shocked. I've seen that faraway look in your eyes before.
You're dreaming, Angela.
I hope I am. I certainly hope I am.
Does this remind you of somebody?
Ladies and gentlemen, I can't tell you how happy I am to be here today to meet all of Angela's friends and family. How fortunate you are to have lived so close to her for such a long time.
Well, now it's my turn.
Angela.
Thank you, Peter. It does my heart good to see you all gathered at the same place at the same time. I want to thank Maggie and Chase and Richard for coming. I know we've had our differences over the years, but we are still family. And just to let you know that there are no hard feelings, I'm going to let you in on a sweet little secret they're keeping. I want us to raise a toast to Robin Agretti and her courage in bringing a child into the world under the most trying of circumstances. To you, Robin. I don't believe that. Of course, it would be bad form if we didn't congratulate the father of the baby. So here is to Cole Gioberti.